All right, we'll take a look at solving for x in two different cases here. In the first example, log 2 of 5x is 3. And in the second example, log square root x minus 1 is 3. And both of these start in log form. So we'll begin with this first one here. This is log form. And there's only one logarithm, and it's equal to some number. So we can convert this from log form to exponent form, meaning that the base is 2. I'm going to put this, let's see, let's do it like this. 2 to the third power, which is 8. I'll write 2 to the third first. And then 2 to the third power is 5x. In other words, 5x is 2 cubed, which is 8. And that was our exponent form. And then we're going to divide by 5 as the final step. All right, so in this case, x equals 8/5, or if we wanted to make that into a decimal, we could call it, let's see, be 5/3, 1.6. Okay, so that one had a couple of steps, but the main strategy here is converting from log form to exponent form. In example 2, same story, except there's not a subscript here because this is a common log, and the one above it was uncommon, so this was base 2. We had to tell people that. This one in here is base 10, and we don't have to tell people that. They just need to know that the implication is that a regular log has a base of 10. So we're going to do a similar thing here. This is log form. And if we convert it into exponent form, this represents the situation 10 to the power of 3 equals to square root x minus 1. And that's exponent form. So we'll simplify here. We can make this 1,000, and then we have 2 steps of algebra to take. Let's first make this 1,000. So we're going to add 1. And square root x is 1,001. And then to undo the square root here, we are going to square both sides. All right, so x is 1,001 times itself. Let's go ahead and do that here. 1,001 times 1,001. Let's see, that would make 1 times 1,000, 1 times another 1,000, and then 1,000 times 1,000. I don't have enough space here. That's going to be 1,000,000, but I'm just going to write 10 to the 6th because it fits better. All right, so this would be 1,002,001. And when we write that, 1,002,001. So either way, your first step is to convert it to exponent form.